Right, so let's go back to our presentation and have a look. So starting with citation, these are mainly used for written essays, but also can be used when giving your presentation. For example, if you were to use a quotation in a presentation such as this one, here you would be expected to show where that quotation come from. Also, similarly, if you use data, for example, a graph in your presentation, I would expect to see an in-slide citation such as this: Goldstein and Kvist, 2019, underneath the data that you showed. So anything you get from anywhere, you show where it comes from with open brackets, name of the author, just the surname is fine, the family name, that is, comma, and the year. Okay. So here we have some other examples. The basic example of one author, just the family name, in this case, Thomas, and the year 2022. Sometimes, especially when we do internet-based research, we get information from organization websites rather than a direct author, so a writer. So we don't have a name of the author. So what we will do then, as in this case, Osaka Metropolitan University would be the author. If we have a year, again, we might put the year in here, for example. If it was 2022, we would put that. And importantly, if we don't have the year, we put N.D. and that stands for no date. Okay, if we have two authors, like in our previous example, Goldstein and Kvist, we write both their family names, comma, and 2022. Probably best to use the ampersand, actually, rather than the word and. But again, both names, comma, 2022. Now, three or more authors, more common when we're doing a research by books in the library, online less common, but it still happens. So three or more authors, we just put two authors. We use this phrase et al, which means effectively and others, and then full stop, comma, date, close brackets. Occasionally you have one author who says the same thing or similar things twice. In that case, in this example, we have twice in the same year. So Thomas, research relating, first piece of research relating to a topic, and in 2022, and then the second piece of research relating to the same topic would be demarked with B. If they were different years, you wouldn't need to do that. You would do 2022 and maybe 2023 if they were different years. However, if it's the same year, we use the A and B system. Okay, so that's all I'm going to say for citation. Citation will be mentioned again, I'm sure, when you start your writing. I will expect to see citation in every part of your writing. So we will do an in-class activity that shows how much I might expect to see. But for now, if you are getting information from any other source at all, when you write, you need to include an in-text citation. Okay, so that's the end of citation. Next video, we will get on to referencing.